What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm not in Victoria, I'm in Vancouver, and this is the Fairmont Hotel Vancouver. We're staying here for a couple of days. Vancouver Auto Show's going on, so we gotta cover that. I just walked out here, you won't even believe what's in this valet half the time. Sometimes it's supercars, sometimes it's a lot of Range Rovers like this one right here. But there's a 4x4 squared right here. Look at this thing. This thing's a monster. It absolutely shrinks a full-size Range Rover. Look at that. It's not even comparable. Look at the difference. I mean, these things are absolute beasts. So we got a 4x4 squared sitting here to greet us right here in the lobby, which is a great way to start the vlog. I can't get over the sheer size. I'm 6 foot, 240 pounds. I mean, I'm not a small dude. This is what I should be driving. Maybe we get rid of the Range Rover and pick up one of these. Can you imagine the gas bill on this thing? So I'm gonna jump in my my tiny little Range Rover, and I'm gonna go pick up, as you guys already know, my buddy Gabe lives here in Vancouver. We're gonna go pick up Gabe. We're gonna go check out a couple of the supercar dealerships, because as you know, I wanna replace the Scuderia. If I'm gonna replace it, I gotta go shopping, and I'm legit, like we're legit shopping for a car this time. I know a few times I've said we're looking to get rid of a car and it doesn't happen. Believe me, I had the full intention of getting rid of the Lambo, and I have spoke about getting rid of the Scuderia. This isn't a new thing, but I'm at the end of my rope with the Scud. I really wanna get something new to spice it up. So let's go check out some of the supercar dealerships just over on the other side of the bridge. But first we gotta go pick up Gabe.
Damon, is this an Uber for Gabriel?
This is an Uber for Gabriel, get on in. Where are we going today, sir?
Wherever there's sun and supercars, my friend.
I think we're in the right city, they're everywhere.
Everywhere. Some guy in a 458 drove by me and me with his loud exhaust. He gave it a nice little downshift and I jumped. I was like, God, I'm too old for this. And you know what? This one had Christmas colored wheels on it.
Oh my, like my old?
Yeah, but it was a black 458.
Damn. How you doing?
Good, man. You happy to be here?
I'm stoked. I mean, Vancouver on a sunny day like this, it's gorgeous.
We got some energy drinks because I'm tired.
I'm tired too. I was just gonna say, do you want to go get
sugar-free? We're good.
Go get a coffee, but this works.
I like this better.
Okay, let's do it.
All right.
We're off to explore a couple of the dealerships, supercar specific dealerships, and then we're gonna go down to the Pacific Rim Fairmont. Why? There's a very special hypercar in town that is visiting from California. These guys have no idea what I'm talking about. Ta-da! It is nice to have this thing back.
I like it.
Oh, we love it. And it's so fuel efficient. I probably need to pay for parking, don't I? Energy. Let's do this. So we're gonna go to McLaren, which is that way. But first I wanna go this way because I spotted a bright orange R8, which is very rare. You don't see many of those.
I wonder what color it is.
Ooh, this is good. Cheers.
Cheers.
Look at this thing.
I don't even know if this is open. There's another R8.
Oh, we're about to find out. Come on. Oh, yes. Look at that. I don't know about you, but that's cool.
Solar orange.
No joke. If I was going to buy a new R8, I'd probably get it in this orange. What are you guys thinking? Are you feeling the orange? Oh, old school Viper. That thing's cool. Bro, I'm digging the orange. What do you think?
I think it's cool. I think it's cool.
I mean, if I was gonna get an R8, this would be it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I just like loud and crazy.
Look at the interior.
It's a really nice orange too.
The interior is crazy.
Yeah, pop that open.
Nope.
They locked
Not
it?
today.
No bueno.
It's like, it's orange, but it's like not.
I know, it's not your regular, like, there's something different about it.
It's almost like a pastel.
Yeah, it's got a flatter look to it.
Yeah, it's like an old...
It's like the orange version of Nardo Gray.
It's like...
Now we're getting really ridiculous with this orange.
Something you'd see on a 60s car.
I like it. Okay, let's head over to McLaren. Okay, I'm really bad with color names, especially when they're Italian. You guys, the Italians make basically paint codes impossible to say, for me anyhow. But Audi, I like you. That orange is called solar orange. Not gonna mess that up.
Germans, they like to get to the point.
Yeah, and they're not messing around. They're not putting it in German. They're like, okay, this is a car that's gonna be sold in an English-speaking country. We're gonna call it an English name.
But at the end of the day, regardless of what Lamborghini calls it, it's still green or orange or yellow.
It's true. Shall we take a stroll through Lamborghini? Because it's right here.
Performante.
Oh, they have a beautiful gray Performante. And a very, very green 580. That's amazing. What do you think of this thing?
I like it.
I like it too.
The spec is on point.
Oh, look at those calipers. That's deadly.
Serious color combination.
Right?
Serious color combination.
This is brand spanking new. They don't even have the Lambo center caps in the wheels yet. We got a 580 Spider with a red top.
That's nice.
Yeah, classy. Keeping it classy.
California.
We are in 4x4 squared heaven here. Holy, dude, this one's missing a rear fender. You're not gonna see that every day. Could you imagine if you just took them off and rolled around without any of the fenders on? Who would do that? I would do that. That'd be crazy. I might need to get one of these.
Adjustable coilovers in a 4x4. Does that mean you can raise it?
More? Well, look at it. I mean, I'm a fan. I'm a fan.
Me too.
Why, thank you, sir.
No problem.
That's a nice spec. Clean.
Perfect.
Just white. How you doing? Yeah, I like that. Holy, look at this silver.
I like it. It's bright.
It's very bright. My camera, dude, is not even picking up how bright that is.
I've been digging silver lately. It's a good one.
Old school. Nice, nice. Oh, bro, manual. You'd have to know how to drive this car. Speaking of green Lamborghinis that Gabe doesn't like, there's a very green Aventador S sitting right here.
This is different though.
This is different, and I love the wheels they've got.
I love Aventador S's.
I'm Peter.
Hey, Peter, Damon. Nice to meet you.
Every single vlog.
You watch them all? Hey, thank you. I appreciate you. We have now departed Lamborghini Vancouver. We're just gonna have a little gander at McLaren.
Yes.
650S Spider. This is cool right here, actually. We got a 720. Gabe and I were saying this is possibly the most popular color, and then we found out it's not.
White.
White. 3 different shades of white. But I really like this color with the orange accents and the way that they do the caliper right here.
I like it.
So then we've got, oh, old school, 12C, another 650S. Now this is interesting, this 570.
Chinese New Year?
Is that what it is? Is this like a Chinese New Year design?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. The colors work really well.
Cool interior, cool spec.
Yeah, the orange and
Yeah.
another 720 guys. Now, for online popularity, I'd say this is the most popular color on the internet. I think this was like the original color launch color, yeah. I love this wing.
I do too. It looks so neat.
Full active arrow
Yeah.
by McLaren. We will meet again. So I think it's that time. It's that time. We need to go and hunt down the Agera RS1. Oh, I haven't mentioned, it's in town. It's been shipped up to Canada, and it's currently sitting at the hotel the owner, I believe, is hanging out at. So we're gonna go over there and have a look at it. Hey, we just spotted a pink Porsche. Check this out. That's cool. That's so cool. I'm digging it. You can hate on me. Go for it. Write a comment. Okay.
I'd rock it.
We got stopped, but we're on our way. Next stop, Koenigsegg. What a beautiful day in Vancouver, you guys. That is North Vancouver across the water over there. You got the mountains with some snow on them. And we are here at the Fairmont Pacific Rim where the Agera apparently is on display just outside in the valet. So we're about to go and find out. Oh, HURACAN. Never truth. Never seen a Koenigsegg before. I hope it's here.
Imagine it's
That would
gone.
suck. We walk around, it's like nothing's there.
So much build up for absolutely
So much
nothing.
build up. You're in luck.
Oh, it's hiding. It's hiding. Damn.
What do you think?
It's crazy. Look at how like the roof is so tiny compared to like the rest of the car.
It's a crazy car. If you go on Instagram, you'll know this car from Vitesse. It is the Agera RS1. I'll just show you guys. Yep. That is pretty cool looking on water. What do you guys think of this car? It's probably hands down one of my favorites. Okay, you guys, unfortunately my time with the RS1 is up. I do have to run to dinner with my family. I gotta drop Gabe off at home. But before we go, you know, it's amazing what $1,000 Canadian, which is basically worthless, will do if you give it to a valet. Okay, I'm just joking. The owner gave me the key to show it off for a second. Check this thing out. Isn't that cool? I mean, that's just the coolest key I think I've ever seen in my life. All right, you guys, thanks for watching this episode. Smash the subscribe button. Make sure you give us a thumbs up if you like the RS1, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.